Right, now we're going to set up some animals and put in some numbers. So we click on Animals under Setup, and here we have a list of all the mobs. We've just got one mob at the moment, but we can add any more mobs if we want. For this one, we're just going to have one mob. So in here we have 3 tabs: All, Milkers, and Dries, and we can describe the feeding and the numbers of these separately. Down here we have the projected pasture cover, so you can see this is pretty healthy because at the moment we have no numbers on the farm. So first we're going to just put in a total number on hand at the start. And as you see here, they're all dry now, it assumes. So what we're going to do now is set up the calving pattern. So we click on the Milkers tab and just click. And this allows us to enter calving numbers on a 10-day basis. So we just work our way along here, entering in expected calving numbers as we go. Expanding out each month as well. As you see, as we're putting in milkers numbers, they're shuttling them in from the dry cows. Eventually we get down to a state where we've got 0 dry cows and everything's milking right through until the end of May. What we're going to do now is typically they dry off in May, so we can just shuttle them there by putting in 0, and they will shuttle them into the dry cows at that point. So now typically they dry cull some animals end of December. So we just put that in there, and again in April. Now we're just wanting to represent the rising 2-year heifers coming back from grazing, so we expand it out and just type in here 320, and that's got them coming back in.